I think so one thing that Santana I think said was it's important to make sure that what's being run is very clear instead of like little changes in the code. So I think one thing I would say is, yeah, it's very important to expose both of the inputs, the parameters that's going into a certain model run, and also to expose as many metrics of what's going on in that run as possible, because otherwise these machine learning pipelines are often complex and huge. So you just get the outputs, whatever those outputs are. So it's important to expose as much of those outputs, like maybe little diagnostics of different places in the system, how many evaluations of this function were run, stuff like that, and to save those out. And I think for small scale experiments, if you're running just a few at a time and it only takes 10 minutes or something to run it, then it's fine to just use whatever tooling you want. But I think when you're running hundreds of experiments and it takes 2 days for each experiment and you're going to forget about it, it's really important to have a good tool. And I think Comet really helped me in that way, just to organize, to expose those inputs, those parameters that you're sending in, the learning rates, et cetera, and also the outputs, the error rates, and put it like on a web page, a static URL, and be able to compare different experiments with each other. That I think that's very helpful and oftentimes you need a special MLOps tool like Comet for that.